What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and we're making air fryer French fries. These are so easy to make, and I promise you'll never make frozen fries again. So first you want to take 1 pound of large russet potatoes and peel those potatoes and slice them lengthwise. You want to slice these up so that they are evenly sliced and they will cook at a consistent and even temperature. If you have some fries that are smaller or thinner, they are more likely to burn in the air fryer. So try to get them consistent. And then you're going to soak those fries in water for at least 60 minutes. This step is important. It will remove the excess starch from the potatoes and allow them to crisp. Do not skip that step. And then after you've soaked those, you want to dry the potatoes completely and spritz them with some olive oil. And then I like to season these with salt and some smoked paprika. You can season them with whatever you like. Then you're going to air fry those on 380 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, open up the air fryer and then move those fries around and then continue to air fry for another 5 to 10 minutes until they're crisp. And there you have it. Air fryer fries.